How good is this? 1990 Yamaha DT 200R. First ride on the road with this old girl. I've done a few bush tracks with it, but it's the first legal road ride, gazetted road ride, if that's the right word. I've got tears, boys and girls, I'm loving it. Oh man, used to have one of these. I've pretty much learnt to ride on the damn thing. It got stolen. I bought this one a few years ago to do her up, get her on the road. I've finally got her on the road. I'm not flogging her, because I just love the thing. I don't want it to break. Not on the first ride. Not out here with no road, with no tools. Why don't I have tools? Because I'm a fool. You guys should already know this. I got my Leatherman. That's it. What does a man need? I'd have to look at hooking the oil injection back up on her. Because at the moment she's pre-mix only, which is fine if you're only doing, you know, one tank worth of stuff. Which I don't know how far one tank's going to get me. Also, I did not have a full tank when I started. I only had 3 litres in it. Should get me where I'm going though. And back. It open does. Back. He's caught on something. Yeah, no, she's proper stuck. There we go. Hook this up so it doesn't happen again. With this thing registered now, I think I've got the whole Infinity in motocross as far as things you want to do with it. Not big fancy. Putting around town. Amazing fuel economy. It's also hilarious when you take her out places like this, which it easily does. I've got my big Rhino for the touring, big adventure trip, and it'll do this as well. It's fine, as you've probably seen when I film my videos and the 2 other GSs we just saw out here. But I did not have a registered one. So I could do trickier stuff with it. Just got to figure out the fuel situation to adventure ride it. thinking of fuel bladder. I don't know how or where I carry the damn thing. Because, you know, it is an enduro bike. It's not meant to carry a lot of stuff. Maybe a 2 litre Coke bottle, soft drink water. Get on the right side of the road. By right I mean left in Australia. And in a backpack, pre-mixed in it, along with a bottle of 2-spoke oil. And you know, I think I might be right. As long as I get fuel every damn chance I get. Proving that the fuel economy on this is alright. I'd have to be getting 100, 150 k's maybe, at least, to a tank. 200 would be bloody good. But yeah, the suspension on this old girl, for this type of ride, it's so good. I haven't needed to stand up. You got the old school super foam seat, you know, that old dirt bikes had. Before every dirt bike had a bloody non-existent seat on it. This one's got a little bit of a seat. Dead pig. View for days. The bloody speedos is broken. I think she'll just come and look. At least I hope that's what's happened. Oh, she's a bit taller. Oh. Oh no. That's not good. Oh, is that spun around? I'll have to sort that out later on. New speedo cable. Lasted one ride. Oh well, what happens? Ooh. Definitely tall girl to be riding in jeans. Those of you that follow my Instagram will know this is a tradition. I hope she starts up again. Pretty much every bike I get to ride, if time allows it, I bring her out here to compare it to everything else I've ridden. So it's only fair that I do it with this. I wonder what I've done to that front. How I've hooked her up wrong. Why she spun around like that. Probably haven't clamped her in tight enough, I'd say. Go and find an owner's manual and read up on it. Loving it. The two-stroke power band on it. That's cool, right? Very much lumpy spray. A little bit of fuel in there. I don't know if I risk her or not, because I'm pretty much home. Should be alright. I'll go home. Play it safe.